Thumberdick, Thunder, Sumber Snitch, Snitchy Snatch, Stinky Snatch. Hiya guys, welcome along to another one on the channel. I have massively messed up, like proper. So I thought, right, this is a good one to get Malcolm back on the channel. I'm doing a local job. It's local to local, so Sleaford to Sleaford. First thing I noticed is Malcolm's bed that he's usually sat in is in the car. The car is at my wife's work. Do you know what? That's fine. Put his harness on, got his lead, and made him a seatbelt, so he's safe. So he can't run away if we have an accident or whatever, and he can't go flying through the windscreen. I thought, right, we'll be all right. It's only gonna be a local job. So whilst I'm on my way to get the truck for the local job, the phone rings. Mate, it is all kicking off. There's a guy from Sleaford that broke down in Peterborough, and he is currently holding up the whole of the Fletton Parkway. Sounds dramatic, that, doesn't it? No one wants to hold up on their Fletton Parkway. I've just spoke to this lovely gentleman. Bless him. I said, I need to know where you are. He was like, I don't know where I am. That's not a good start. And he said, there is just so much traffic that I'm holding up the whole of the... Excuse me while I go over the moon craters. I've got Malcolm with me. I am not in a position to be going and rescuing somebody off the side of the A1 or wherever he is. I think he's in a live lane. I think he's in the outside lane, so he's in the fast lane of the A1. And let's hope, ultimately we need to hope that this guy's okay with dogs. Because otherwise, one of them's going to be riding on the back of the truck, and it ain't going to be this one. Is it? No. That's your seat, isn't it, pal? Me and Malcolm we're going with it. So our local job's going to have to wait. Oh, Christ. Jesus Christ, that bee was like a Chinook. Did you hear that? The bee just hit the windscreen, and I thought I'd hit a helicopter. I'm going to admit this to you. I thought, you know what, the channel's growing nicely. I wonder if it would grow a little bit quicker if I could get some sponsorship. Let me tell you something. There's an app that I use called What 3 Words. It's an incredible app. Honestly, if you've got one app on your phone, everybody should have What 3 Words. I've used it countless times to the emergency services to close roads if I need to get the A1 closed or the M1. I just give them the 3 words for the location I'm at, and they close it. Like, they know exactly where I am, and every time they have thanked me for using What 3 Words, because it just takes away all the ums and ahs. So I thought, do you know what? I'm going to contact What 3 Words. I'm going to get ideas right above my station. And I was like, hi guys, and then I've got an up and coming YouTube channel, and it's almost like going, I'm kind of a big deal. I was like, any chance? I love your app, I'm a real advocate for it. Is there any chance you'd like to sponsor a video in some way? Give me some sponsorship. And they were like, hi Ben, oh that's really kind that you're an advocate for our app, thanks very much. No. I was like, okay, thanks. But you know what, regardless of that, so I am making no money on this. This video is sponsored by my wallet. Even though I'm not getting anything from them, this video is not sponsored by anybody. It is a great app, so please think about getting it. Alright guys, right, update for you. I've just spoken to the gentleman because I was a little bit worried about him because he's quite elderly, so I gave him a call just to check in. And he said the police have just arrived. And if you've seen that video, have you? So he said the police are on scene and they weren't happy with where he is. I was like, here we go. They've grabbed the recovery truck and they're moving him. Turns out they've done him a bit of a solid, and they've just stuck a tow rope on his car and they're towing him into Peterborough services, which makes it easier for, well, less life-threatening for me, doesn't it? That's what we want. No death. Stupid. No deaths today. No deaths today, Malcolm. So yeah, we'll be on scene in a minute. I don't know if the police sit. Malcolm, sit. Good boy. So I don't know if the police are still going to be on scene when we get there. But yeah, I'll grab the camera out and see if the police hate me after my video. I'll tell you what we do need to do. announce the winners of the hoodie giveaway for who could guess the name of the van. But I'm going to do that at the end because I know what you'll do. I'll give you a free hoodie and then you'll all just bugger off. Right, we need to do an overtake, guys. See, I'm doing 55.8 mile an hour and the guy in front of me is doing 55.6 mile an hour. I know you hate us all, but I'm actually quite considerate. I don't pull out if I don't think I can get past him quickly. So I'm going to draft him. I'm going to sit in his slipstream. Right, we're going for it, guys. We're going for this overtake. Foot to the floor. Firewall in it. Come on, Ronnie. We're out. Strain, Malcolm. Don't speed up, pal. I'm being that guy. I am being that guy. Come on, Ronnie. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Thanks, mate. Right, we'll see you when we're on scene, guys. Magpie. There's a magpie there. Magpie. Salute the magpie, man. We're at the services now. It's just carnage. There's police here. The RAC's here. I think we're gonna have a fight. It's my client, isn't he? Right. See. Said he's parked up by the hotel. There's the hotel. Oh, there's the hotel. Right. There's the RAC man. I'm looking for a blue Corsa. Don't want to have a scrap with rivals. There's no rivalry, we're just better. There he is. Right, let's put some flashy lights on. Found you, alright mate, keeps waving. I found you. Hey pal. Yeah. Right.
See you.
Yeah, Jigs. Right, I have got my dog with me because I wasn't expecting to become. I was only on a local job.
They want you to take the car to Boston. They're supposed to be texting me through the.
To Boston.
Yeah, Ian Thomason. I think they said. I don't know if you know it, but they say because it's the clutch, that's where it's going to have to go anyway. So they'd like to take the car there, and then if you could take me back to Twells, so they can give me another car.
At Billingay.
At Billingay.
I've got to work out how I'm going to get this on in the middle of a busy car park. So the clutch is totally gone, yeah?
Yeah, it's got no resistance. It's just not getting into gear or anything.
No worries. So welcome back to the truck. We've got Martin's in here now, and we're having a lesson on how you drive without a clutch. I think I might have earned a beer tonight, you know.
Yeah, I know what you mean. A lot more than one, I think. It's exhausting.
Right guys, Martin has been dropped off. Martin is safe. Now it all went a little bit weird. You might notice there's a dog missing. Let me explain myself. So, I set out to just do a quick local job in Sleaford, right? Phone rings, as you know. Next thing is I end up down in Peterborough. Well, I pick poor old Martin up, who, he was in a bit of a state, to be honest. The police have been involved. Malcolm's with me. We've been all the way to Peterborough and back. Malcolm's decided he wants to be his friend more than my friend, because I'm telling him to sit, lie down, and this bloke's like, oh, you're cute. So anyway, Malcolm's now his friend. But the problem here is, Malcolm's starting to get a little bit tired, his leg's causing him some bother, he's not comfortable. So my wife, Lou, who you met the other day, works in Boston. She said, should she come and get Malcolm so that he can be in his basket, go and have a bit of chill time in the luxury. So I said, yeah, do you know what, come and grab him. And then I was like, I could offload Malcolm and Martin.
Thank you very much.
Hey, so my wife, who's just done a full day's work, is currently driving Martin to the garage to get his courtesy car with Malcolm in the back, wondering what the friggin' hell is going on. I want to do the big reveal of who won the hoodies and get them in the post to you for you. So 2 of you got it spot on, right? Now, decided it was going to be a female van. I've had her now 6 years, 3 clutches, Jay. But yeah, she's a she, and we called her Penny. So 2 of you, James Wood and Stephen Allen, both got it bang on. You were the only 2 that said Penny, so well done. Now 2 others said, I think it was Mark Spreadbury and Ash Hobbs. So Mark Spreadbury and Ash Hobbs, you both said Penelope. Well, do you know what? Penny is short for Penelope. I'll take it. I'll give you a hoodie. So you 4 definitely deserving a hoodie. However, there was one person who I felt really sorry for, because she could be either, I don't know, kept commenting loads of names. I think they commented about 17 or 18 times, which, do you know what, it's class for me, because it just bumps the video up in the YouTube algorithm and all that. So it was great that they were commenting, and in the end I was like, stop, I think you've already guessed it, because they'd said so many names. So anyway, I sat there before, went through all the comments to see who had won, and this person who I told to stop hadn't actually guessed it. But however, I've decided, because I'm a nice kind of guy, that Leslie Hindley, you can also have a hoodie. So you 5, the 5 of you, drop me an email to sleafordrecovery@gmail.com. Yeah, drop me an email, give me your address. Do you know what? I'm not even going to ask you to pay the postage. I will pay for you. Thank you very much for getting involved. I loved it. It was good fun. It was good fun reading all your comments. You know what? You've also made me think I should start calling more things gangster names. Stick with it, gang. Do you know what? Subscribe. That's all I ask. Please, if you're watching this, subscribe to the channel. You want to know who the worst drivers are on the roads, right? I'm telling you. I'll tell you straight up. It's Sky van drivers. The drivers of the vans that fit the Sky in your house. They pull out on you. They're always on their phones. You see them sitting there like that in the mirror, and they've got big ass pictures of Benedict Thundersnatch or whatever his friggin' name is. What's his name? Sherlock Holmes, him. It's something like Cummerbund, isn't it? Benedict Cumbersnatch. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, but so anyway, I'm now looking at Benedict Cumberdick Snatch Fish. Fuck off, wherever he is. So thanks for that, Mr. Skyman. Right, that's me heading home, guys. Thanks for coming along tonight. It's been a long Good Friday. Well done to my competition winners. Do you know what? I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to keep doing it. I've got loads of hoodies. I've got loads of them. Let's just give them away. Let's get them sent. If that's you on the bridge at Sleaford on the A17, then subscribe, like and subscribe. I need to get some better tones. I definitely need an air horn, don't I? Come on, Ronnie, let's get a pussy back. Come on, lad. Look at this, we are slingshotting, holding him roundabout. Come on, lad. Come on, learner, man. Go on. Send it, apex, kiss that apex. So this will be the Friday video, 6 o'clock Friday, and then I'll drop another one on a Sunday. Right, that's enough. I've talked too much. There's no dog here, no one's watching anymore. See you later, guys. Have a good weekend.